Hi, Harper.
Hi.
We're going to practice some animal sounds, okay? Can you tell me what a cow says? Good job. Can you tell me what a chicken says? Good. How about a duck? Quack, quack. Okay. What does a monkey say? Nice job. How about a fish? Nice. How about a horse? All right. And Harper, how about a lizard? Nice job. All right. What sound does a cat make? A cat. What sound does a cat make?
No.
Good job. All right. What about a dog? Good job. Roof, roof. All right. Are there any animals that we missed? Can you think of any? No, I can't either. Do you want to say goodbye? Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Maybe in French?
Yeah.
How do you say it in French?
Come.
Can you say au revoir?
Au revoir.
All right. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. Can I have your sunglasses too? Looking good. Say au revoir. Say au revoir. All right. Bye, Harper. You really like that bread, don't you?